Welcome to Fix Your Apps, and today I'll be showing you how to empty your trash on Facebook, step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Step 1. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture to access your profile. Step 3. Now, tap on the three dots icon on your profile page. This will open a menu with more options. Step 4. From the menu, select Activity Log. Step 5. Once in the Activity Log, tap on Trash to view all the items that are currently in your trash folder. Step 6. At the top left corner, you'll see an option that says All. Tap on that to display all the trash items. Step 7. Now tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open a new menu. Step 8. From the options, select Delete. This will allow you to permanently remove the items from your trash. Step 9. Finally, confirm your action to permanently delete those items from your trash. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.